Day 23. Welcome back to Day 23 of your English vocab upgrade. Today we refine how to upgrade your vocabulary from B1 to B2, not by forcing replacements, but by using more precise words. 1. Broadcast. The upgrade. Instead of tell everyone or show everyone, use broadcast when a message reaches many people at once. Definition. To send out a program or message to a large audience, typically via TV, radio, or the internet. Example. The ceremony was broadcast live to millions of viewers. Checkpoint. If you could broadcast one message to the entire world, what would it be? 2. Approximate. The upgrade. Instead of about, use approximate to sound more formal and precise. Definition. Close to the exact number, but not completely accurate. Example. The approximate cost of the renovation is $50,000. Checkpoint. Do you prefer an approximate plan or a fully detailed one? 3. Estate. The upgrade. Instead of land or area, use estate when talking about large owned property. Definition. A large area of land owned by a person or organization, often in the countryside. Example. The family owns a large estate in Scotland that has been in their possession for centuries. Checkpoint. Would you rather live on a country estate or in a city apartment? Day 23. Contextual summary. The news station will broadcast the approximate value of the estate before the auction. Key takeaway. At B2 level, upgrading vocabulary is not about replacing simple words everywhere. It's about using the right word in the right context. Pick one word. Broadcast, approximate, or estate. And write your sentence. Thank you for your focus today. Don't forget to practice. Stay consistent. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And share your thoughts in the comments. See you next time.